Hello everyone, this is all the variety we have, and in this video we will show you one by one each design and its availability. So starting from this one, this is a round marble framed kundan with a flat back. Its size is approximately 5 mm. This one is square and medium size square framed kundan, 4 mm size. Next one is drop shape, and its size is 6 by 8 mm. The next one is matte gold marble and size is 5 mm. Then simple round mini or tinny round 2 mm. Okay, here we have two sizes in white triangle, smallest one and the medium one. Size is 4 mm and 6 mm. These are Indian kundans and matte look, small size, eye shape. Soon their stock will be available. Cross shape white kundan, these are also imported, and soon we will upload another video of Indian kundans. Okay, it's a drop and we have two sizes, medium and the small one is, I think it's 4 by 5 or 3 by 5, something like that. C shape, this is mini square 2 by 2 mm, medium eye shape and kite shape. So this is the colored variety in round shape. Size is 5 mm, yellow, orange, and the blue one is royal blue. Okay, these are mini round, turquoise or firoza shade. All these big rounds are 5 mm. This is royal blue. A mini round in royal blue, firoza or turquoise. Okay, this one is out of stock. These both are out of stock, but I'm showing you. Its size is 10 mm. Both are in 10 mm. Okay, a red round in 3 mm. Okay, these are Indian kundans with hole, and we have the best quality. Its color will not fade. It's 12 rupees each per piece, and this is 6 by 6 size black matte square. These are Indian imported. It's a moon shape in sea green color. It's a flower shape in orange. All these will be available in Pakistan soon. We are just showing you the variety today. This is S shape, medium, triangle, small and large. Okay, this is a mini round in multi shade. These are also Indian kundans, or you can also use these as buttons. So this is all. Okay, here we have added frameless kundans in large size. This is glass kundan with flat back. It's very shiny, and that drop one is half inch in size, and that square one is 12 mm. That this square in plum shade is 10 mm, and here royal blue is also in 10 mm. This black is also in 12 mm. Okay, all these are glass based, not the plastic one. This one is so beautiful, and its length is half inch approximately, and width is 4 mm. Okay, this one is resin based, or stuff like that, so it's light in weight, not in glass stuff. And here the last one is eye shape, it's also in the glass stuff. This is all we have. Inshallah, we will upload more stuff soon. Stay tuned, and if you want to place order, take the screenshot and mention the quantity and send us to our WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it to your friends. Bye bye.